Hey everyone, welcome back. As you all know, I have made it into the top 15 for the NYX Professional Cosmetics Face Awards, which I'm super excited about. The first challenge was super fun, so we had to do a Mother Nature inspired look. If you didn't see my video, click the link below. So because we got into the top 15, we got another box of makeup, and which my little doggy Vodka is so excited about too. But yeah, so I just need to do another unboxing video for you all so I can show you what we got for the competition. So, first off, brand new undies. Very nice, comes in my size. And then we've also got a little bra as well, like a little sports bra. Another face mask. We got a face eraser, which I guess is like a really amazing microfiber material that cleans your face. This will be really handy after my next tutorial video. Cleansing water, a charcoal face scrub, which I admit I have already used and it is awesome. Back combing finishing spray, lotion, high impact texturizer, a little NYX Professional Makeup ring light for your phone, which is so cool. Another farmer's gift card, thank you. Another cleansing water, this one is infused with oil. And yeah, that's about all of the lipstick that I got. That's amazing. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this lipstick. This is a lash primer, a glitter primer, which will be great for my biodegradable glitter that I use. Oh, concealer. A powder brow filler. Also got this, which is a Contour Intuitive eye and face sculpting palette. And a liquid highlighter as well. So got lots of goodies this time, which is super awesome. Thank you to all of the wonderful sponsors for giving us all of this awesome stuff again. Please remember to watch my next video as well. So the next theme is Drop Dead Gorgeous. So I already have something in mind and it's gonna be amazing. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you all next time.
Bye!